Welcome back to Newton School's 19 Days of Python Challenge. Today, we'll show you how to control your code's behavior, when to skip, when to stop, and when to just pass through.
Now the last thing about loops is whenever you are writing loops, three keywords are very important, which actually controls the flow of the loop. How the loop is flowing, it will control that. One is break, one is continue, one is pass. So break means you want to exit the loop. So whenever the break will encounter, the further loop will not execute. For example, we have a loop for I in range 1 to 6. So it will run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have a condition, if I is equal to 3, break. So when it will become 1, 2, 3, it will break. So it will only print 1 and 2, because as soon as it will become 3, we are breaking the loop. We are exiting the loop. So this loop will print only 1 and 2. Right? So this loop exit as soon as the I becomes 3. The further loop will not execute. Now continue. Continue means you want to skip that particular iteration. For example, we have I in range 1 to 6. So it will run for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if I is 3, you want to continue. Right? Continue means skip that iteration. So it will print 1, 2, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 4 and 5. Because the loop will skip printing 3 and continue the next iteration. Now the next is pass. Pass means you want to do nothing and it is used like a placeholder. So the pass statement does nothing and allows the loop to continue. For example, if I is equal to 3, you are saying pass. You are saying do nothing when I becomes 3. Right? So if I is 3, you are saying pass. Otherwise, you are saying print. Right? So this will also print 1, 2, 4 and 5. Because for 3, you are just doing the pass. Right? It just act as a placeholder. Right? So let's see the summary for loops. Right? For the for loop, if you see, there is a scenario if you want to iterate through a list, you can do that. This is how the code will look like. If you want to iterate over a string, you can do like this. If you want to iterate over dictionary, you can do like this. And if you want to iterate over range, you can do like this. So I recommend you practicing this piece of code, right? And similarly, here are the examples for while loop as well, which you can use for the different types of inputs, right? So these are again some of the memes related to loops, and yes, the loops are very important in Python programming language. So yes, now the quiz time, right? So again, you should pause the video after watching the question and then move forward for the solution, right? So what is the output of this code? We have a count starting from 0 and then we have a nested loop where I is in range from till 3. So it starts from 0. When you don't give any initial range, it starts from 0. So I in range 0 to 3, then j in range 0 to 2, right? We are counting it. We are increasing the count by 1. So when when I will be 0, j is going from 0 to less than 2, 0 to 1. So every time count will increase by 2 for the outer loop. And outer loop is running 3 times, 0, 1, 2. So the count will become 6. So this will be false. So yes, next interesting problem. Let's see. Let me use a pen here. So here I is ranging from 0, 1, 2. And inside it j is ranging from 0, 1, 2. And we are saying if I will become 1, when the I will become 1 and j will also become 1, we will break it. Otherwise, we will keep on printing, right? So initially I will be 0, we will print 0, j will be 0. Then inner loop keep on running 0, 1, 0, 2. Then I becomes 1. So it will print 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And as soon as it will become 1, 1, it will break. So it should go till here, right? 1, 0. And then this 1, 2. I think we can check this later. So now we are saying for I in range 392, we want to print I, right? What will be the output of this program? We have the 3 range, right? So that means we are giving these 3 numbers as a collection. So it will print 3, 5 and 7. I think this we haven't discussed, these giving 3 numbers in range. So how are we putting it into the quiz? We can just ignore this. Now the next question, we have x is equal to 10 and we are saying till the time x is greater than 0, we have a condition. So while condition, and we want to print x. And then every time we are reducing x by 1, we are reducing x by 1. So x is starting from 10. Is x greater than 0? Yes. We want to print it. 10 will be printed, right? Then we reduce x by 1. So x will become 9. And if x will become 5, we will skip it, right? So 9, we will print 9. Then we again reduce 8. So basically we are keep on reducing it, but we'll skip 5. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 5 should not be printed. 5 should not be. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? Cool. Now we have a question. For I in range 2, that means I will go from 0 to 1. And j in range 3, that means 0, 1, 2. We want to print ij. So how many times will the print statement execute? So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 6. 6 times. So yes, now you have got the loops down, right? So it's time to get to the next level. What will be the next steps for you? So you have learned the Python basics. Now you know the programming. So now you know how to talk to the computer, like how to write the logic and speak with the computer, right? Now you can ask computer by saying whatever you want it to do for you, right? But to do that, you should learn how to deal with the data and how to write different types of logic. That's where DSA comes into the picture, data structures and algorithms, which is very important topic for getting high paid jobs, because once you learn DSA, your problem solving abilities increases, right? So once you learn DSA, your problem solving skills increases, right? So without using the efficient data structures, you will not be able to write the good code, right? So I would suggest as the next steps, you should go and learn data structures, which will really help you. And I hope this Python course was helpful. Thank you so much for joining. See you the next time.
Now you're coding with control. Comment your doubts and hit that subscribe button and stay consistent. We are very proud of your progress.